Hello, welcome to Astrology by Veronica at Tarot Reading Zone. In this video, we are going to talk about Scorpions who are born between 23rd of October to 21st of November. And the symbol of Scorpion is a scorpion only. Scorpions are passionate, intuitive, vindictive, mysterious, cautious, and jealous out of their possessiveness. The most compatible zodiac signs with a scorpion are Pisces and Cancerian, and both are water signs, and they go and gel up very well with the scorpions and their sensitive nature. Ruling planets of Scorpio are Mars and Pluto. Their element is water and they rule the 8th house of the zodiac. Symbol of Scorpion is Scorpion. This is a fixed sign and they believe in transformations. Among most popular Scorpio celebrities, we have Aishwarya Rai, Miss World, Miss Universe Sushmita Sen, and a very popular singer Katy Perry. Scorpions have a great self-control and always have an air of danger and mystery. They love to pursue their interests passionately and with determination. They tend to be secretive and highly suspicious of strangers. A scorpion never forgets a favor or an insult. They are disarmingly honest and enjoys taking advantage of weaknesses, if only for fun. Surprisingly, they have a psychic talent of telepathy. You just know what people are thinking, and it can scare people how much you know about them without having to say a word to you. So scorpions are also able to transfer their thoughts to others and can somehow get them to feel the way they want them to feel. They are very much attuned with their psychic world. Their magnetism is partly due to their psychic ability to connect with the thoughts of other people. As far as trusting people is concerned, people really need to gain your trust because you are wary of trusting anyone. The only person a scorpion fully trusts is himself or herself. They trust their own instincts more than anything else or anyone else. As a scorpion, you are trying to appear calm and collected, but you have got an intense emotion brewing underneath. You're constantly trying to understand your emotions while you try to keep your feelings under control and hidden from the outside world. As a scorpion, you are passionate and you refuse to fail. As a Scorpio, your sense of privacy is of utmost importance and you prefer your guests to come only when invited or expected. You're not particularly fond of entertaining in your own home unless you're feeling generally inclined to do so. You need your space and your home is your retreat. You hate people who ask for your honest opinion and then get sensitive about your answers. You hate pompous people and those who act or appear to be two-faced. You're not fond of superficial people who cannot keep a secret and people who have a habit of being flighty and unreliable. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do subscribe to our channel Tarot Reading Zone. Hit on the bell icon.